Okay.
Hello guys, I am Kim. Welcome to my vlog. This is the All Foods and let's play Spin the Wheel Foods. This is sibuyas, yema, pastillas,
What's
nata
that?
jelly, nata.
Ayun, ano yun?
Asukal, ito ang suka, and toyo, Nutella, almond, there's a mani. And that's all.
So, let's start.
Yeah.
Okay, let's start the spin the wheel. You got pastillas. Yeah, try pastillas. Yes.
It's so yummy.
What's flavor of that?
I think it's vanilla. It looks like vanilla, like mom. I can eat.
Come on, taste it. So, what's
So
this?
yummy.
So yummy.
Yeah.
Okay. So, let's try another one.
Yeah.
Okay, just keep the garbage there. Okay, let's try the second spin the wheel.
Um,
Onion Kim.
no.
Yeah, just try. Taste it only one piece.
I'm
Yeah.
just
So, do you like onion?
no.
What taste? It's
I'm
good?
gonna cry. No.
No, it's not good. What's the taste?
Yeah.
What happened?
Please don't be vinegar.
So, you don't like the onion?
Yeah.
What is the taste?
I'm gonna vote for zero.
Okay, let's spin the wheel again, huh? I press this.
The third spin.
Okay, I will press it now.
3, 2, 1, go. What?
You got soy sauce. Oh, just get the spoon and taste it.
Yes, a full.
Yeah, just only little. Little only.
Okay, I'm done.
Okay, how is it? It's good?
So mapait.
So mapait? Soy sauce? Okay, just let's
Why
go
so
to another
maalat?
one.
I mean,
Because it's
maalat.
soy sauce, that's why it's very
The
salty.
fourth one. 3,
Okay, let's
2,
try another.
1, go. No vinegar. What I get?
Wait.
You try the fifth one.
Oh no, it's vinegar.
No!
Okay. Just try a little, a small only. Eh? It's vinegar? How is it? Huh?
It's so, I think it's so spicy.
Spicy?
Yeah.
It's sour? You can make adobo in that, no? Soy sauce, vinegar, and onion.
Turon.
Turon. Okay, let's try another one.
Go. When it's eating na, you can make please almond or Nutella. What did I get? What did I get?
Wait, still spinning. Wow, you got Nutella.
Yay!
Grab a spoon and taste it. You like Nutella?
Yeah, that's one favorite. That's my favorite. Like this?
Yeah, only one scoop. How is it? It's good?
Yeah.
It's very tasty?
Yeah. Can I close it now?
Yeah, close it now. So you like it?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, let's move to another
Wait.
round. Wow, you love it.
I'm done. My teeth. Look at my teeth.
What's very sweet or what?
It's done.
Wow, you got nata jelly.
Yay, my favorite. So wiggle, wiggle, wiggle,
This
wiggle.
jelly is like soap.
The jelly, it looks like
What's
candy.
it like? What's the taste?
It looks like strawberry.
Strawberry?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks like strawberry too.
Because it's red. Red is strawberry, right?
Yes. So you like it?
Yeah.
Okay, let's move to another round.
Can I get more?
Okay, take it.
No, like this. Can I get
No, only that one. Okay, let's move to another round. Let's spin the wheel. Alright, you get almond.
Yay!
So you can taste now the almond.
What pieces?
Some milk chocolate.
I think it's dark chocolate. Oh, it's milk chocolate. Look at it.
Yes. It's
So
like a round,
oblong.
round, yeah, oblong. It's color brown. Tastes good.
I see. I told you guys.
So
This
there's
is
an
how
almond
much-
inside. Okay, you got all these items.
Yeah.
So how was it? Which the one you like?
Yes.
This Nutella?
Yeah.
It's so sweet.
And yeah, it's so like chocolate. Can you count on me in Thursday?
Okay.
You're gonna
Okay.
you're gonna get me.
Okay, next video.
Next video. Bye.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.